Here's the video. Alright, here's the video for question 8 of practice set 1. Find the value of p, so you will substitute x equals to -1 into the equation. Okay, let's substitute into the equation and then please calculate. The working goes like this. P equals to negative of -1 squared plus 3 times -1 plus 6. Now please press this in the calculator. And your answer should be p is equals to 2. Now let's plot these points out. Okay, let's do this patiently. -2, -4, and that will be at the bottom here. -2, -4. The next point to plot is -1, 2. So -1, 2 is here. Next point, 0, 6 will be over here. Next point, 1, 8 be over here. So 1, 8. Next point, 2, 8. Next point, 3, 6. Next point, 5, -4. Alright, and with these points, we are now ready to plot the curve. Alright, and this is the graph that you are supposed to plot. Please check your curve properly. Alright, now with the curve, we will now solve the question. Part C, use the graph. Find the value of y when x is 0.4. Okay, so what you will do is, go to x is 0.4, and then you will start to draw dotted lines. So 0.4 is here. And please start drawing dotted lines all the way up. Now once you reach the curve, please mark out that point and then go towards the y-axis, and you should see a value that is around 7. So the first answer is y is equals to 7. Now please ensure that when they say use your graph, you must show dotted lines. That is a must. Okay, next, maximum value happens at the maximum point, so please draw a dotted line. Okay. Now to find the y value, please read towards the left-hand side. It is around 8.2. Use your graph to solve the equation -x squared plus 2x plus 4 equals 0. Now this is a graphical solution question. And the trick that you must do is you have to rearrange your left-hand side until it becomes the one that was given. This one, it must exactly match this, -x squared plus 3x plus 6. Right now, it is not the same, so you have to do something. Okay, copy down first. And you must do a series of steps until it becomes -x squared plus 3x plus 6 equal to something. Now what you must do is, for the 2x to become a 3x, you will make sure that you must plus x. So you must plus x here, you must plus x here. Next, for the 4 to become a 6, you must plus 2. So plus 2, plus 2. And you end up with this. So what you must actually draw on your graph paper is that you will have to draw this graph. Y is equals to x plus 2. Now how to draw y equals x plus 2? Create a table of values. Okay, I will just use when x is 0 and maybe x equals to 2 for instance. This will be a 2, this will be a 4. So 0, 2, 2, 4. Let's plot it. 0, 2 is here. 2, 4 is here. Okay, I will connect this using a straight line now. Okay, it should look something like this, but I'm not using a ruler, so it's very untidy. Please make sure you're using a ruler. Let me undo and draw this properly. Something like this. Oops, undo. Okay, not very nice. Give me a moment. Let me tidy this up. Alright, and if you draw something like this, now once you have drawn the line, you will go ahead and find the points on the section, one of which will give you negative 1.25, and the other one is approximately 3.2. Okay, so label y is equals to x plus 2, and then the solutions are negative 1.25 as well as 3.2. Okay, part E. Using your answer to the part C, part 2, explain why there are no solutions when this is equals to k. Okay, first of all, I will notice that this again is not the given equation. So let's write down negative x squared plus 3x equals to k. I would need to make sure that I plus 6 here. Alright, and next they mentioned k is greater than or equals to 3. So if k is greater than or equals to 3, k plus 6, okay, I'm using this part, k plus 6 is greater than or equals to 3 plus 6, k plus 6 is actually greater than or equals to 9. Alright, now let's see. What happened when it's 9? Oh, 9 is over here. So if I draw a horizontal line, can you see that it will never intersect the curve? Okay? So, any line y equals to k plus 6 that is drawn such that k plus 6 greater than or equals to 9 will not intersect the curve. In fact, this line is entirely above the maximum point of the curve. As such, no intersection means no solution. And with that, we are done with this question.